Hello everyone, we would like to welcome you all to Classical Ceylon. In this video, we will be showing you how one can get to Colombo city or Colombo railway station from Colombo airport. Once you have landed at Bandaranaike International Airport, then you will have to clear the immigration and customs. Finally, you will be in the arrival hall. Once you are in arrival hall, in the left side, you can see a few branches of 5-star hotels in Colombo. You can easily book a hotel from these branches and they will drop you to the relevant hotel. So in your right side, you can see few private taxi services. You can book a taxi from here to Colombo city or wherever in Sri Lanka. The prices will depend with the vehicle you choose. Normally, a 4-passenger AC car to Colombo city from airport will cost you approximately 1,750 Sri Lankan rupees. The journey will take almost around 30 minutes to reach Colombo city. If you like to use public transport to get into Colombo city, you will have to exit from the arrival hall and go straight to out and turn left and go straight until the end of pickup area. Normally it's just 150 meters from arrival hall to bus stop. Once you are out of the airport and you still want to book a taxi, still you have a chance. In the pickup area there is an office of government registered taxis. You also can easily book a taxi from here. So from here you can take an air-conditioned bus to Colombo city, which will cost you around 150 Sri Lankan rupees, and journey will take almost around 30 minutes to reach Colombo city, and buses will leave from airport every 50 minutes. Most recommended way to get into Colombo city is public transport. We hope the information we provided in our video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching our video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. We'll meet you soon with another useful video. Thank you.